Guy, problem deal. Guy, what happen? The thing be say for some days now, body that they do me somehow. So I can't go hospital to go do test. I think typhoid and malaria. So after the test result come out now, they say no be typhoid and malaria. And they say no HIV. Chibi, I don't tell you. You need the year word, You go carry a shower, you no go use condom. See, you need the sweet. Don't see yourself now, sweet you do yourself. Eh? I don't warn you, I don't tell you. Anytime you carry a shower, anytime you carry any care, use condom, you need the year word. You need the sweet. This one they sweet you now, Abi. Sweet you do yourself, guy. Well, no wahala. You get luck. Just thank your God, say I get solution to this your problem. Take. Wetin be this? Na Igbo. I mix am with Panadol and Apiclos Picham. Igbo. Before you smoke am, make sure say you eat, cause the thing go make you sleep for like 24 hours. When you wake up, your HIV don't go. Na lie. I swear. Or you want mad. You see? Either way, you no go die, sha.